Today I'm gonna talk about why I short Bitcoin, guys. So I'm here on Binance, just a $10 trade, all right? So 100x, as you can see here, I'm on a short position with just $10, just to show you guys. Okay, so why I'm on a short on Bitcoin? Just starting on the daily or weekly, maybe. Nah, on a weekly, nothing to see here, guys. We have the break level here on the daily. Okay, we have the break level here on the weekly. Okay, this is probably the best spot for a short, because if we go to the weekly, that's the break level. That's the last break level. If we break that, we are going to a new all-time high probably. Okay, so daily. Just show you guys why I enter on a short position here. We have the daily downtrend here. First, yesterday I had it here, okay, and as you can see, it's trying to break, but we can adapt the trend. So guys, be careful with that. We can always adapt trends until a certain point, of course. So we have the downtrend there, and we have the daily um, break level on this range, okay, the week of this top. Okay, so we created a top here, the wick of the red candle. That's my break level. So if we go to the 4 hour, okay, it kind of looks like it really wants to break up, and it might. Okay, for me the best level for a short here was not this one. Actually, it was this 4 hour. Okay, because if we go to this break level on the 4, I'm gonna show you guys. Let me just zoom. Okay, so we are in this range right now. This is my reverse level on the 4, and the break level, the polarity moment on the 4, also on this range. All right, so if we go there to the polarity moment, well, on the polarity moment, two things can happen. We see a big rejection to the downside again, or if we stay here for a little longer, maybe 1 hour, I don't know, we are probably going to break up and see a big reaction. The only problem with this break level is the daily, it's really close, so we cannot do almost anything here, and we have the weekly over there, and honestly, if we go to the weekly, we are probably going to a new all-time high. So this is why I believe this is kind of the last zone for a short on Bitcoin. Okay, guys, so and it's on 100 leverage, so 1% on 100 leverage, it's 100 profits. Okay, so I right now I just moved my stop loss. I normally have it on 15%, uh, always 15%. Okay, and my kind of targets, first, I want at least 35. Okay, that's 1 to 1 ratio. Then I need 60, that's 2 to 1. Okay, don't be fooled by this ratio, guys, because you need to count the fees. So this is my 2 to 1 ratio. Okay, and 85, that's what I really want. It's my 3 to 1. Okay, I'm not sure we are going to go down so fast because we are on an uptrend, as you can see here. Let me go to trading view, it's better. Okay, so go to the 1 hour. We actually might have an uptrend here on a 1 hour. Let me see this. Yeah, probably here, and then we have something like this. So it's an interior trend from this one first. Okay, we have nothing on the 4. It's almost the same as to this point, so I rather have it on a 1 hour. And let me see on the 15. Yeah, on the 15 we probably have something like this guys here. Yeah, it's just to okay, yeah, we might have something like this, but for me this is not really important on a 15. But it's still in uptrend, so I have to be careful with this short. All right, guys. Right now I'm already on 35% profits. Okay, so that's good. I'm not moving my stop loss until I get at least to 60%. Okay, and then I will move it to break even. Okay, so for our we are in this range, and this is why I believe this is the last point for a short, because after this previous range, okay, after this range, let me put it here maybe, we created a lower low. Okay, so even though we are testing the highs here of this range, we before that we created a lower low, and that for me it's kind of bearish. So what we have here, it's a bounce probably on a 1 hour here. I have two levels here, I'm not really sure of that. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I was not expecting a big move up after this bounce on the 1 hour. So we have 1 hour against the daily here right now. So what I really want is this 4 hour to break down. If we break down this 4 hour, we are probably going to test the lows here or even lower. Okay, but first we need to break this 4 hour here, because that's the ladder. Okay guys, so we have this one here because it's the bigger candle. We did not test this, just 1 hour probably. Let me check that. Let me pick the 1 hour here. Okay, yeah, we did not test the 1 hour here, we just hit the backside here or maybe here. Okay, so we might go to these levels and still see a reaction to the top. Okay, it really depends on how it goes here. If it goes here really fast, okay, straight down and keeps the uptrend, for me that's bullish, and we probably are going to break up, honestly, if we keep this uptrend, because it's forming the 4 hour uptrend. Also, we have the 1 hour. This, the only problem here is that this is getting a lot of rejection, and when we get a lot of rejection on the top of the move, well, two things can happen. It's kind of 50-50, right? We break up or we break down. That's kind of simple. So I rather short the top than long the breakup. Okay, guys. So yeah, I think I said everything about Bitcoin, honestly. Yeah, we don't have trends here on the daily. We just have the trends here on the bottom on this range. I believe we have nothing on a weekly. Yeah, we don't have an uptrend on a weekly. Maybe from this range to this one, something like this maybe. Yeah, first we have something like this. Okay, we might have a weekly trend here, but not really important for this moment right now. Okay, okay, we might create a weekly downtrend, actually. Yeah, okay, so we might have a weekly downtrend to something like this. Okay, guys, in the future, it's not created yet. We have the daily, and as you can see, it's almost the same as that possible weekly. Okay, so this is everything that I believe it's going to happen to Bitcoin, or something that can happen with Bitcoin on the next few hours, guys. Right now I'm on a short, as you can see, and see you guys on the next videos. Thank you.